Welcome to our channel, Blue Lollipop, English for Kids. Hello everybody. I'm Brandon, and I will be your teacher in this class about means of transportation. Repeat their names after me. Car. Repeat. Car. This car is running very fast. Truck. Repeat. Truck. My father is a truck driver. Bus. Repeat. Bus. I go to school by bus every day. Taxi. Repeat. Taxi. The driver of that taxi is my friend. Ambulance. Repeat. Ambulance. The ambulance is taking a patient to the hospital. Police car. Repeat. Police car. There are two policemen in the police car. Train. Repeat. Train. The train transports many people at the same time. Subway. Repeat. Subway. The subway is an excellent means of transport for big cities. Motorcycle. Repeat. Motorcycle. My brother's motorcycle is under repair. Bicycle or bike. Repeat. Bicycle or bike. I like to ride a bike in the park. Skateboarding. Repeat. Skateboarding. Skateboarding is good transport for short distances. Scooter. Repeat. Scooter. Riding a scooter is so much fun. Airplane. Repeat. Airplane. It's very safe to travel by airplane. Old airplane. Repeat. Old airplane. We can see these old airplanes in museums. Helicopter. Repeat. Helicopter. Only very rich people can buy a helicopter. Ship. Repeat. Ship. I have never been on a ship in my life. Boat. Repeat. Boat. This boat is lost at sea. Sailboat. Repeat. Sailboat. This sailboat is going to catch fishes. Rocket. Repeat. Rocket. Rockets take people into space. Balloon. Repeat. Balloon. This balloon is cute and colorful. So, I hope you learned a lot of useful things in this video about means of transportation. Our class today is over. See you soon. Bye.